Welcome to Indie 20 Home. We are a family of 4. Well, 3 humans and 1 dog. Our house extension finished in 2019, but our gardens was left in complete mess. So we decided to create a new one. It's a dream one. Let's get started. Let's start with the hardest bit, clearing out, digging, a lot of digging, and leveling. It took us about a week to finish the process of the preparation. We were so tired. It was spring, April 2020 when we started the project. I was so desperate to grow something, so I decided to get a greenhouse. Then I realized that to have a greenhouse, you're gonna need the strong foundations for the greenhouse to sit on. So we used some of the old pavements that we had, and we bought some new ones, and some gravels. We laid them up on the top of the wheat fabric. Here we are. My new greenhouse is on the way. So my greenhouse area was so pretty. I was so happy with that. But the rest of the garden still looks so ridiculous. Once we got recovered from the digging, I said to my husband, "Can we have a decking?" And he said yes. He will try, even though he never and ever built any decking in his life. My husband did a really good job. Well, after I discovered his talent, it didn't stop with just one decking though. It went on to another decking, to the fencing, and to the raised bed. After we enjoy our first decking, no, not really. We were pretty much painting all the woodworks. But we had a few weeks break. Then we had to kick ourselves off again to start artificial grass project. Again, we never done that before, and this is our first time. I hope this is giving you a little bit of inspiration if you're looking for an idea to do your own garden. It has been so amazing for us to be able to achieve something like this. It took us quite a long time to finish the project, but we got over it. It's just so amazing that we could create something that suits our lifestyle. It's just easy, low maintenance, and we absolutely love it. We love living in our house. We love living in our garden. My next project is going to be my vegetables garden, which is on the other side of the house. Wish me luck. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye.